we have audit agencies and auditors in place like RAC, which is a recovery audit contractor. Here they would hire like private agencies where there will be a medical coder, there will be a doctor, a chief physician who acts as a director, and a nurse. They'll tend to audit the medical records, the practice, and if they are going to, recover like 1 lakh rupees or 10 lakh or 1 crore, they will be paid a percentage of this recovered amount. So that's how with auditors, and they will ask for medical records and all that. Next is like ZPIC. In ZPIC, we say Zonal Program Integrity Contractors. They are very strict, aggressive auditors here. Sometimes they go to the patient's home, they ask for the details. They might go and ask, when did you have your last surgery, what doctor you met, and what did they order and all that. So they do all these secret visits and try to understand whether there was any conspiracy hatched by the doctors or the healthcare providers. Next, we have like MAC. MAC is nothing but Medicare Administrative Contractors. Every region comes under the jurisdiction of a MAC. In this MAC, they have these LCDs and the NCD policies, which is a local coverage determination and the national coverage determination. Say for example, if you are going to do an excision procedure of skin, then if you are going to build this malignancy code, the patient should have a malignancy. Say you have something called like a lymphoma. So that might not be there in the LCD policy. So that would not be covered by the MAC. That would be claim would be denied. You all know when there is a policy, the national coverage determination takes precedence over the local coverage determination. So whatever claims that you send should be within the LCD policy. If it is not there, it would be a straightforward denial.